ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮುಕುಂದ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ವಲ್ಲಭ ವಾಸುದೇವ ಸನಾತನಗ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಮಲನಾಥೋ ಕಮಲನಾಥೋ ವಾಸುದೇವ ಸನಾತನಃ ವಸುದೇವಾತ್ಮಜೋ ಪುಣ್ಯೋ ನೀರಮಾನುಷ ವಿಗ್ರಹ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಮಲನಾಥೋ ವಾಸುದೇವ ಸನಾತನಃ ವಸುದೇವಾತ್ಮಜೋ ಪುಣ್ಯೋ.
Narayana, Narayana, Namaste to all. I am Narada Muni, the celestial sage who roam across the three worlds singing the glories of Lord Narayana. Today I bring you the most divine story, one that fills the hearts of devotees with joy and devotion. Long ago, the earth was burdened by evil forces. The wicked King Kamsa ruled with cruelty and people lived in fear. Seeing their suffering, Mother Earth prayed to Lord Vishnu for help, and he promised to be born as Krishna, the savior of the world. In Mathura, a noble couple, Vasudev and Devaki, were blessed with this divine child. But Kamsa, who was Devaki's own brother, heard a prophecy that her child would bring his downfall. Out of fear, he locked them in prison. One by one, he took away their children. But destiny had a greater plan. Then, on a dark, stormy night, a miracle happened. Krishna was born. The prison doors opened, the chains broke, and the mighty Yamuna river made way as Vasudeva carried the newborn to safety in Gokulam. Now, let us witness this sacred moment, the birth of Lord Krishna.